Welcome back to the channel. Another week, another set of trades. Hey, I'm telling you, it's like I'm out here battling with two swords, man. Every day is a war zone. And Now I'm back in work, so I'm busy all the time. So my trades are gonna be lot lighter. This week is a red week. Uh, let's just look at the totals real quick. So. For our daily strangles, we made 13. We made $300 this week off our daily strangles, but really, we got beat up. We got beat up this week. We had to roll some put. We had to roll a put, um, and we got beat up this week. Just couldn't find a beat. But our main beat up was gold. So gold was rallying, and I decided, hey, I'm gonna take this. This is actually a call. Why am I putting this on the put? This is a call. This is a naked call. So I had to get out of this. So I took a loss there. That was basically that. And then I need to change this to call too. And then I had a strangle on gold, and I tried to adjust it, and it still wasn't working. So I took a loss on that too. So these were my two big losses that dragged me down this week. So overall in the account, option trading wise, I'm down $300. So even though my day trades I made 300, I had a swing trade gold position right here from the strangling. Gold just went crazy. Like this is a 2400 and gold just. Let's look at the chart. Like I can't even. The chart will explain it. Slash GC M4. So I was trading the M4 contract. So if you don't know, futures have different contracts that trade at the same time. So this contract here, this one here only has 18 days left. So I'm kind of done with this contract. So I'm in this one. So this one is trading at 22.4, right? So if we go on this, and I can't get enough zoom here, so I'm just gonna go on the daily, but I want you to see the move that this thing made against me since Friday. So Friday was March 1st, right? This is Friday. Like this is the move that started Friday. We were at 2067 on Friday, and we went up to 22. Like this is like 8%. This is an 8% move on gold, right? And you'll be like, oh, 8% on gold ain't nothing. Okay, you might say 8% move on gold ain't nothing, but I'm not out here just making random trades. So let's look at the gold futures contract over time, right? So we're gonna put a line here. Let me change this to like a 3-year chart, right? So we're gonna put a line here representing 2200, and right, that line, and then we're gonna put a line below it representing 2100. So we want to see how many times gold has broke that. So gold broke 2100 in December. Okay, I could deal with that. So I was okay at 2100. But as you can see, continue rallying, right? So let's see how many times in the past gold has broke 2100. It tried there, didn't. This is back in 2022. It didn't, right? So you can see, even if I extend it to 5 years, so right here we're at 23, right? So it tried there, didn't at 22. It tried here. This is back in 2020. It tried here, didn't break it. This is a monster rally too. Like you can look at this rally from COVID. It's crazy, but usually you don't get a 100-point rally in just 1 week on this chart. So I got squeezed, man. There's no way around it, but I just got to take it off and take the L. I was gonna go into puts, but um, I just didn't like the puts. My puts had to be over 2100, and I don't really like it. So I just take the L and just move on, because things that I'll do with certain things, you get good premiums on gold, but you have to be closer to the stock to get them. So selling puts above 2100 was not what I wanted to do. Uh, so I'm getting destroyed there. So I started fighting back. And how did I fight back? If we look at the last 7 days, I started trading NASDAQ futures. So this was the war zone out here, NASDAQ futures. And I started trading back, fighting back, making money there, making money there, making money there. So this $500 sucks so bad because I lost 500 right here, right? You can see I was up 460. I lost 500 on this trade. This sucks so bad because I knew the market. I knew like, we were gonna bounce. My plan was to average down. But before I took the trade, right? These are just, in and out scalps, right? Before I took the trade, I did not look at my buying power. So before I took the trade, my buying power was like 30,000, and to trade one of these contracts, you need 18,000. So I can't trade two. So I wouldn't have took the trade because of that. So as soon as I got in, I got a wash candle. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna average down. This is money right here. I'm gonna average down. If it doesn't work, I get out, right? And take the loss, whatever it is. So I wanted to average down. I go to average down. I'm looking up at my buying power, and I had 8,000 buying power. So I just took the L. I just took the L, and you can see this trade like this is within seconds, right? I'm not even in this trade in a minute. This is within seconds. So I took that L, but I continue. This is the same day on the 6th. You can see like on the 6th, I'm in here, still grabbing money with both hands, still grabbing money until I made it back. So I ended up making it back, but it kind of sucked. I had to do those push-ups. So the 7th came and the same thing, just grabbing 100, grabbing 200, whatever it is. Got a good trade Friday before. Um, Friday off. This is off a wash candle too. So I just bought the bounce, and yeah, that was that. Just for the week, it's just tough. So I'm not up $7,000 today. My broker sucked. My broker sucks at, well, not him, but the market maker. They widened the spreads right before market close, and it will fuck with your margin if you ain't got none. So if we look at this trade right here, you can see this is $1 to $100, right? And this one is trading at 99, so you can see they fucked it up right here. This is the market maker playing games here. So that will mess with your margin. So I am not up 7K today. This is this thing here. So all in all, it was a good week. I just got handled by goal. So the takebacks is, could I have gotten out earlier? Yes, I could have gotten out earlier. I could have gotten out on Wednesday when I saw this, and I was just like, this makes no sense. This makes no sense. So um, that's the only thing. Should I have stayed in this? Like, I wanted to short gold. I was up in my feelings, but I just, instead of rolling those calls into puts or rolling them out into more calls, I was like, you know what? Just take the loss and walk away and come get them back another time. So, I took the L on it. Um, I got some trades in here that are coming off pretty soon. I'm looking at. Just need the market to not completely sell off. Cause we got some ES trades in here. 80%. I took this ES trade off in here. So these long-term trades is what makes my P&L doesn't look even more. Cause I closed one on oil and I closed one on ES. So I should be getting a couple more trades off this week. So we will see how that goes. Last thing here. Yeah, now these alerts start popping up, randomness. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna end this video because this thing, yeah, it just started heading up now. Last thing is my IRA. This was pretty good. I sold a weekly put for $50 and cashed it in. And what I started doing was I started taking the same trades in my main account just so I can watch it from one account. So I just started taking the same thing in my main account. So I know what the positions are in my IRA. That's what I'm doing over here too. So just so I know what the positions are in the IRA, so I don't need to go in there and look. Everything is in this one account. Yeah, all in all, that's it right there. The Russell Dream is still alive. We'll see if we can ever get out of this thing in my 401k. And this trade here is literally going 47 days and it still can't make the money. That's it. I'm not gonna run this video any longer. Thanks for watching the channel. If you like, I'm out.